Okay, now I'm going to show you how to go and purchase your node in Bellator Life. So go to bellatorlife.com. I'm going to go to my account. I'm going to log in. Right now I've got all my Metamask connected, all of that. So I'm going to go to shop, click on packages. You go to the Miracle node, this first one. Right now, today, you get a +1, so you get 2 for the price of 1. We're not going to use anything in the wallet because there's nothing in our wallet. We're going to go to terms and conditions, click that, and then click payment options. I'm going to go Miracle Pay, pay with crypto. Wait for this to load. I am going to click select a currency. So I am going to do USDT BNB because that's where I have my coins. And I'm going to click pay with Miracle Pay. Wait for this to load again. All right, so it's giving you QR code. You could go pull up MetaMask on the phone and scan that, and it's going to put all the information in there. Otherwise, I'm going to copy this address. Click OK. I'm going to go over to MetaMask, and I've got my Tether right here. So I'm going to click into my Tether USDT. I'm going to click Send. I'm going to paste in that address, and then I'm going to do 1200, which you can see down here, 1200 USDT. I'm going to click Continue. Click Confirm. It's going to cost 1 penny of BNB. Transaction was submitted. So you can click on here and click View Transaction. It's going to pull this up. So it's going to say your transaction is complete. Come back here and let this sit for a while. It's going to take probably a couple hours for this to show. Well, let me take that back. So it actually showed up within seconds. So you click OK. I've got the $1,200 USDT. Click OK. Payment transaction successful. That just popped up. I'm going to click OK again. Let me just keep that page up. I'm going to go back in here to Bellator Life. Go back to my account. And there you go. I've got my 2 nodes right here. So now that